Welcome to Mr. English Speaks. Listen, learn, and improve your English effortlessly.
Hello, Sarah. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Speaks, where learning English is easy, slow, and friendly. I am very happy you're here with us today.
Hello, Adam. Hello, dear friends. I'm very happy to be here too. I hope you are feeling relaxed and ready for a calm English conversation.
Sarah, you look peaceful today. How are you feeling?
I feel good, Adam. Not rushed, not stressed, just calm. Today feels like a good day to talk about daily life.
That is perfect because our topic today is daily life, the simple things we do every day and how they make our life better.
Yes, many people think daily life is boring, but actually, daily life is where happiness lives.
I agree. Big moments are nice, but small daily moments are more important.
Before we start, friends, if you enjoy these conversations, please like this video and subscribe to Mr. English Speaks.
Yes, and please share this video with someone who wants to practice English with simple and natural conversations.
Okay, Adam, let's start with the morning. Mornings are very important in daily life.
Very true. Sarah, what is the first thing you do when you wake up?
The first thing I do is open my eyes slowly and take a deep breath. I do not touch my phone.
Wow, that is very healthy. I usually look at my phone first, and that is not always good.
I know, the phone can wait. I like to say to myself, today is a new day.
That is a nice habit. After that, what do you do?
I go to the kitchen and make a cup of tea. I love tea in the morning. It feels warm and comforting.
I am a coffee person. I love the smell of coffee in the morning. It makes me feel awake and happy.
Coffee or tea, both are nice morning rituals.
Yes, I drink my coffee slowly and look outside the window. I like to see the sky and the light.
Looking outside is very relaxing. It helps the mind wake up gently.
Exactly. Then I eat a simple breakfast, nothing big, maybe toast and eggs.
Breakfast is important. When I skip breakfast, I feel tired later.
Same here. Food gives energy. Daily life becomes easier when our body feels good.
After breakfast, I like to move my body a little. Not heavy exercise, just stretching or a short walk.
Walking is amazing. I walk around my neighborhood every morning for about 15 minutes.
That is great. Walking helps the body and also clears the mind.
Yes, sometimes I see my neighbors and we say hello.
Saying hello is such a small thing, but it feels very good.
It makes the day feel friendly.
Daily life is not only about work, it is also about connection.
Speaking of work, Sarah, how do you handle your workday?
I try to keep it simple. I make a small to-do list, not too long.
That is smart. Long lists can be stressful.
Yes, when the list is short, I feel calm and focused.
I also try to do one thing at a time. Multitasking makes me tired.
Same for me. One task, one focus.
During work, do you take breaks?
Yes, very important. Every hour I stand up, stretch, or drink water.
Water is very important. Many people forget to drink water.
When I drink water, I feel more awake and clear.
Me too. Sometimes I also listen to soft music while working.
Music changes the mood. Calm music helps concentration.
And happy music is great for cleaning.
Oh yes, I always play happy music when I clean my house.
Do you dance while cleaning?
Maybe a little. It makes cleaning more fun.
I do the same. Daily life is better when we add small, fun moments.
Exactly. Life does not need to be serious all the time.
What do you usually do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I like to learn something new, even for 10 minutes.
That is great. Learning keeps the mind active.
Yes, sometimes I read, sometimes I watch a short video.
For our listeners, listening to this conversation is also learning.
Yes, learning English can be part of daily life, not something stressful.
That is very important. English should feel natural.
Adam, do you ever feel tired in the afternoon?
Yes, sometimes, especially after lunch.
What do you do then?
I take a short break. I don't push too hard.
That's healthy. Rest is part of daily life too.
Yes, if we always push, we feel burnt out.
In daily life, balance is very important.
Let's talk about simple joys. Sarah, what is a small thing that makes you happy?
Drinking tea, reading a book, and hearing birds outside.
That sounds peaceful. What about you? A good conversation, a sunny day, and a comfortable chair.
Comfortable chairs are underrated.
Very true. Daily life happiness is often simple.
What about family and friends?
Very important. I try to call my family regularly.
Me too. Even a short call feels good.
We don't need long talks, just checking in.
Yes, it reminds us we are not alone.
Sometimes I meet friends for coffee.
That's nice. Talking face to face is special.
We laugh, share stories, and relax.
Laughter is powerful medicine.
It really is. Daily life feels lighter after laughing.
What do you usually do in the evening, Adam?
In the evening, I slow down. I turn off work mode.
That is very important.
I cook a simple dinner, nothing fancy.
Cooking at home is comforting.
Yes, and I enjoy the process, cutting vegetables, listening to music.
Cooking can be relaxing.
After dinner, I like to sit quietly or watch something light.
I tried to limit phone time in the evening.
That is a good habit.
Too much screen time makes sleep difficult.
Yes, I also like to read before bed.
Reading helps the mind relax.
Before sleeping, I think about the day.
Like reflection?
Yes, I think about one or two good things from the day.
That is gratitude.
Exactly. It helps me sleep peacefully.
I do the same. Even on a bad day, there is always something good.
Daily life becomes beautiful when we notice small good things.
That is a very important message.
Friends, daily life does not need to be perfect.
It just needs to be lived with awareness.
And kindness to yourself.
Yes, be gentle with yourself.
Let's do a small practice for our listeners.
Good idea.
Friends, repeat slowly in your mind. I enjoy simple daily moments.
Now repeat, my daily life matters.
Very good.
Adam, many people think happiness comes later.
But happiness is now.
Yes, in the coffee, the walk, the smile.
Daily life is not waiting time. It is life.
That is beautiful.
Sarah, should we recap what we talked about?
Yes, let's do that.
We talked about starting the day slowly and calmly.
We talked about simple habits like breakfast, walking, and drinking water.
We talked about work balance and taking breaks.
We talked about small joys, friends, family, and relaxing evenings.
Daily life is full of small treasures.
Friends, try to enjoy one small thing today.
Maybe a cup of tea.
Or a short walk.
Or a smile.
Before we go, please tell us in the comments one small daily habit you enjoy.
We love reading your comments. And please like, subscribe, and share Mr. English Speaks.
Thank you for spending your time with us.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, friends. Take care.